there! I'm Mr. Twisty. Welcome to Twisty Town! Now, some of you may already know me from my Reading as a Magical Adventure assembly. Perhaps I was at your school. And some of you may know me from my YouTube kids show, Mr. Twisty's Storytime Adventures, which you can watch right here in the clubhouse, by the way. Well, no matter how you found your way here, I am so glad you're here. This is very exciting because Twisty Town is your place. I built Twisty Town for you. I love telling stories and I love going on adventures. And this whole site is here to help you tell stories, go on adventures, and have an absolute blast while you're doing it. First of all, there's Story Generator. We'll have you spin those wheels and cook up a wild and wacky story nobody could ever think of before. StoryQuest, that's a lot of fun. Those are choose your own adventure stories where you decide what happens next. How about the Comedy Clubhouse, the place where you can write your own jokes, practice your timing, and perform stand-up comedy. You can even make your own comedy video just like me. How about Picture Palace, where you get to illustrate your stories and create amazing works of art. The Magic Shop, oh, that's where you'll learn magic tricks you can perform for your friends and family. So much fun. Every corner of Twisty Town is packed with a new adventure waiting just for you. So go ahead, click around, explore, see what you discover. Where do you want your adventure to start?